Get ready to unravel the mysteries of nature's hidden defenders. In today's video, we're diving into the prickly world of porcupines. In 4 parts, we cover topics like their impressive defensive tactics to the quiet elegance of their nocturnal lifestyle. Join us on a journey to discover why these spiky creatures stand as a testament to the wonders and challenges of the wild. Part 1. The porcupine's formidable appearance. The porcupine, a nocturnal rodent native to various parts of the world, possesses a distinctive and formidable appearance, covered in sharp, barbed quills that can grow up to a foot in length. These spines serve as the porcupine's primary defense mechanism. Their stout body, ranging from 25 to 36 inches in length, is adorned with a layer of quills that provides both protection and an imposing visual deterrent. Part 2. Quills as formidable weapons. The quills, featuring microscopic backward-facing barbs, make the porcupine a dangerous adversary. When threatened, the porcupine can erect its quills, turning its body into a spiky fortress. These quills are easily detached and can cause severe injury to predators or perceived threats. A single encounter with a porcupine's quills can lead to painful wounds, infections, and even death in some extreme cases. Part 3. Defensive behavior and warning signs. Porcupines exhibit defensive behaviors that emphasize their potential danger. When approached, they may emit warning sounds such as hisses, grunts, or rattles, signaling their readiness to deploy their quills. Additionally, porcupines are known to charge at intruders, attempting to make contact with their quill-covered bodies. This aggressive response serves as a potent deterrent, dissuading many predators from attempting an attack. Part 4. Health risks and impact on predators. Encounters with porcupine can have serious consequences for predators. The quills, once embedded in an attacker's skin, can be challenging to remove and may lead to infections. In some instances, predators have been incapacitated due to the sheer number of quills embedded in their bodies. As a result, the porcupine's combination of physical attributes and defense strategies makes it a dangerous force in the animal kingdom, showcasing the effectiveness of nature's adaptations for survival. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating insight into the diverse realm of wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, stay curious and connected with the beauty that surrounds us. Take care and see you in the next exploration of the nature world.